Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom navigation menu in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your Confluence space look polished and on-brand, with a professional touch that makes navigation clearer and your workspace truly yours. So if you've ever wanted your company logo front and center or wanted your top bar to reflect your brand colors, stick around. I'll show you everything step by step. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Confluence settings menu, which is where all the magic happens. At the very bottom left of your Confluence screen, you'll spot the admin icon. It looks like a little gear or cogwheel. Go ahead and give that a click. This is the gateway to all your site's customization options, and if you're an admin, you'll spend some time here. From the drop-down, click on Settings. Don't rush this part. It's important to be in the right spot before you make changes, and if you're not seeing the admin icon, double-check that you have the right permissions. Once you're in Settings, look for an option called Look and Feel. This is where you can start making Confluence feel less generic and more like your own workspace. Select that, and then you'll see a choice for Customized Navigation. Go ahead and click that. Think of this section as your site's wardrobe here, where you get to decide exactly how the navigation menu looks to everyone who visits. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is the option to upload a custom logo. This is a huge deal for branding. It's like putting your company's signature right on the front door. Under the Upload Custom Logo heading, you'll see a button or a field where you can choose a file from your computer. Take a moment to find your company logo or an image that represents your group best. Just make sure it's a clear, high-resolution image. Confluence will take care of resizing it, but you want it to look sharp across all devices. Once you've selected your file, it'll upload in just a few seconds. If you're not happy with how your logo looks, you can always change it again later, so don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. The next step is changing your menu's colors. This is where you can really make Confluence match your organization's style guide or simply coordinate with your team's favorite colors. There will be color pickers or fields where you can enter hex color codes for both the highlight color and the background color. If you want to stick to your precise brand colors, grab those codes from your design team or use a site like Coolers Co. Otherwise, you can just experiment with the pickers, drag the cursor around and see what feels right. The highlight color affects things like the selected tab or menu items, so choose something that stands out without being jarring. The background color, like painting the walls in a room, sets the whole tone for your navigation bar. Take your time and preview the combinations. Sometimes what looks good in theory isn't as appealing in practice. Once you're happy with your changes, all you have to do is hit Save. This part might take a few moments. Confluence is updating your site's look and making sure everything appears smoothly for every user. If something doesn't look right, or if you want to tweak your choices, you can always hop back into Settings and make adjustments. And that's it. You've now created a custom navigation menu in Confluence, complete with your own logo and carefully selected colors. Your workspace should feel a lot more personal and professional, and your team will instantly notice the difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, just drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe for clear, straightforward guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.